Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I did this updo. All you need for this are some hair ties, topsy tail, and of course bobby pins. So I'm sectioning off the front hair, something like your bangs if you want, from both sides, about 2 inches. And then I'm grabbing the crown hair. You can take your eyebrows as a guideline. Take the top section, tie it into a small ponytail. Then take all the rest of the hair and make another ponytail. Now split this hair and take another clear elastic, and I'm tying it off at the ends of this half ponytail and flip it over. So from the top into the rest of the hair in the middle, and then do exactly the same thing on the other side. Take a little hair tie, bring the hair together by the ends, split it in the middle, make sure that they have the same length, and now I'm flipping it the other way around just to give different structure to the hair, and I'm tying together those 2 ponytails. Now I'm taking a little bun maker, so just a donut, and I'm pinning it between the 2 first hair ties that we used, the 2 first ponytails, just 2 bobby pins. Now insert the topsy tail and bring the end of the ponytail through the topsy tail tool and around the bun. Pull a bit the end and pin the rest in place. There where opens, the 2 ponytail where they are opening, you just insert another bobby pin and hide the ends. Now I'm taking the side hair and use again the topsy tail tool. Bring the left side through the topsy tail tool and pull it down. Do exactly the same thing on the other side. I'm feathering this out a bit. It gives a soft appearance that I like. Same thing on the right hand side. Pull through the topsy tail tool. Feather it out a bit. You can use hairspray to fix it. Now I'm bringing around my index finger the hair that sticks out, and I pin it under the bun. And this is the final result. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Where would you wear this hairstyle? And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you back here next week. Bye bye.